Well, good morning. The opposition has extremely serious concerns about the government's legislation. The legislation does not address the real issues that gave rise to the Bondi attack. It doesn't address Islamic extremism. It doesn't address ISIS influence. And it doesn't address the rise of anti-Semitism and the associated terrorist threat in Australia. Even at this late stage, the department cannot clearly tell Australians what will fall foul of the law when it comes to hate preaching and what will not. And this is an extraordinary position for a government to be in when proposing criminal sentences. Laws of this seriousness demand precision, confidence and clarity. What we have instead is confusion and contradiction. Now, the opposition will continue to scrutinise this legislation carefully, but from what we have seen so far, it looks pretty unsalvageable. The Parliament can and should be able to do these two things with this legislation: criminalise radical Islamic extremist hate preaching without impinging on free speech. Address these things. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thanks very much, Murray. It's fantastic to be here with you and with Charlotte. The legislation that has been proposed, that is before a committee, deals with both. It deals with both the hatred and the guns. And it is legislation that we have spent a great deal of attention, focused a great deal of attention on, legislation which has been carefully drafted and which would constitute the strongest protections against hate speech that this country has seen. And now we have legislation that is directly addressing what we know was part of the call from the Jewish community and others for stronger protections in the aftermath of Bondi. And now the Liberal Party and the National Party have changed their tune. Instead, they want a delay. Well, I think Australians can see what is happening, and Australians can see that the Liberals and the Nationals never put Australia first. Thank you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the Newsx YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.